In today's video, I am going to teach you how to assign in Smartsheet. Assigning work in Smartsheet helps your team understand who is responsible for each task, and it also keeps updates organized so nothing gets missed. To begin, locate the sheet where your tasks are listed. If you already have it open, you can continue right away. If not, right-click to open your sheet in Smartsheet. Take a moment to make sure you are viewing the correct worksheet, especially if you manage multiple projects. You want to see the table that contains your tasks and the column where assignments are made. Once your sheet is open, find the column labeled Assigned To, or look for the Contact Assignment area for tasks. The sheet layout may vary slightly, but the Assigned To column is the place where Smartsheet expects the person responsible for each row. When you see the task you want to update, click the Assigned To cell for that specific task. Make sure you are clicking the cell in the correct row, because assigning the wrong row can misroute ownership and cause confusion later. After you click the Assigned To cell, you will be ready to choose who the task should belong to. The next action is to click the drop-down. This drop-down is your selector for assignment options. It typically shows people from your workspace or lets you search or enter a value depending on your setup. Click the drop-down carefully so it opens and displays the available choices. This is the step where Smartsheet turns an empty or existing assignment into a specific person. Now look at the list of names in the drop-down. If the person you want to assign is already shown, you can select their name directly. Click the person's name to apply it to the task. If you do not see the person in the list, the drop-down may also allow you to type to find or assign someone. In that case, you will type their email address, and then press Enter so Smartsheet can match the correct contact. As you type, pay attention to the suggestions that appear. These suggestions help you confirm that Smartsheet is selecting the right contact. Press Enter when you finish typing, and then wait briefly for the selection to apply to the cell. This small pause matters because Smartsheet may take a moment to update the assignment field and save the change. After the person's name is set in the Assigned To cell, double-check that the task row now shows the expected assignee. You can do this quickly by scanning the row for the updated contact name. If it shows the correct assignment, you have successfully completed the task assignment. From here, you can repeat the same process for other tasks whenever you need to assign additional responsibilities. The key is to always click the Assigned To cell in the correct row, open the drop-down and choose the right person using the name list or by typing their email address and pressing Enter. And that covers everything you need to know. That is all there is to it.